Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. 2008 Subaru Impreza low miles, lots of records and maintenance. This 4-door sedan has a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter H4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and a 4-speed manual transmission. This Subaru has less than 115,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Great looking and running Subaru. Lots of records, ready for a road trip. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, and power windows.